I get a shot right through into a bolt of blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem I find. Living your life till I can't there's no sense in telling you. And it's what nobody knows. And every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say. I feel fine and I feel good. I feel like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Why can't we be ourselves like we were yesterday?